Yo, what's up, JVTV? We back. We got a crazy ass video for y'all today. So today we're doing the monkey challenge. We're finna get on monkey. We're gonna get on this motherfucking trail. We might ask a few questions, we might not. We're just gonna see what they hitting on in this motherfucker. Okay. Oh, hell no. Y'all don't want to see dude. Get off of my phone, dude. I ain't gonna lie.
Already.
Man, I be seeing motherfuckers get on here in trouble. Yo. Oh, you about old as hell, boy. You ugly as shit. No, bro. No, bro.
He trolling already.
Man, this ain't even the start.
It ain't no...
Hey, I got a question for YouTube. I can't hear you.
Says that screen record shit, bro.
Damn.
How we gonna get this shit to work?
Yeah, well,
Let me see.
Turn your volume up.
Let me see.
it gotta be the screen record
Let's see. No, it's on Bluetooth.
Oh yeah, you can't hear from my stuff. We gotta like take it off Bluetooth too.
That's cool. They still, y'all gonna see that. I'm gonna give y'all that. Y'all just not gonna be able to hear the first few people. I ain't gonna lie.
The only thing I can hear.
But, bro, what? I'm on camera right here, though. So y'all can hear. Oh. And scoot over the camera.
I'm drinking Patron like it's grape juice. I'm too damn big trying to chase you.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Man, you look like you a rapist, man. Get off my phone. Who daddy is you?
That nigga's a rapist.
shit.
They ain't even say nothing, bro.
He look like a rapist. I don't even want to talk to him. I ain't even gonna lie. He look like he snatch people's kids up for a living. Man. Who the fuck is him? Man. It's time that we getting people.
Fucking ass, nigga.
You little as fuck, boy. Little ass boy. You gonna get on their ass on photo grave?
Bro, like, I ain't playing with you off a whole park right now.
Nigga ain't off no perk.
I'm hiding in the beds.
You high? Where the perks at?
What a purse. What that bitch at, folks? I'm on these, folks, too. Oh my God.
What the fuck? Oh,
You
you,
get you activated?
they
Motherfucking jiggers.
get you in that mode?
Motherfucking jiggers right here.
Hey man, you on YouTube? They seen you do all these motherfucking drugs, man.
What you mean? I'm on YouTube, nigga.
Got his
He's a fan.
police now.
That's funny.
Yo, he talking about what the fuck? Yo. Man, what's up with all these old ass, bro? Damn, my fingernails are dirty. Yo,
What up, nigga?
why you got that skirty ass bonnet on?
I do this for my hair, man.
Put that.
Nigga, your forehead busted.
Ooh.
Yo,
Shit fried.
he should have kept that motherfucker. Oh,
You be skipping people?
yo, yeah, I skip weird ass people, like, you know, cause it be people that join doing some weird shit.
What?
What's up?
You on YouTube?
Say hi.
Your camera?
Hi.
Yeah.
Where you from?
What you gotta say to the YouTube?
Yes.
Huh?
Hawaii?
She from Hawaii.
You can't talk? You speechless?
What?
You speechless?
Where you from?
No.
Where you from?
Thailand.
What's up there?
Ooh, okay.
Where you from?
We from
US,
Nebraska.
From US. From US.
And you
Yeah, we YouTube.
do what?
We do YouTube.
YouTuber.
Yeah,
You on the
finna go
YouTube?
Big
Yeah.
YouTuber.
Right now?
Right now.
You're on YouTube. Say hey.
Say hi.
That's good.
Oh,
Hey, subscribe to JVTV. JAYVTV. Like my neck.
You start.
She was just so surprised. She probably never met nobody from the US.
Bro, at the same time, it be people on here that be like, you really be YouTubing? Man, you not. Why is you in the car?
Big headed.
Oh, get in the car. Get in the camera. Get in the camera. I'm on your ass, boy. Get in the camera.
Big headed.
Get in the camera.
Hey, you ugly.
Get in the camera.
A big ass forehead. I don't know what you're talking.
Boy, you about ugly as hell. Hey, who daddy is you?
Oh, shit, nah.
Where your kids at?
How's my dog?
Your dog is good. When you gonna come over?
What? My fault.
Your dog needs some food. You gonna cash at me or what?
Hell no, we ain't cash
What's
app
your
you a
cash app?
damn thing.
What's your cash app?
My cat. I don't even have cash app. I'm capping.
Yeah, you know you don't want to get that up. We want your money.
I got a question for y'all. I got a question for y'all. Y'all are really good for this question. What do you call a Mexican versus a priest?
You tell me.
What the fuck?
Alien versus predator.
That's what you is?
Yeah, I'm the alien. I'm looking for the predator.
Where you from, Brody?
I am from Tennessee.
For real?
That shit boring, huh?
Hell no, a bunch of white bitches. Just raw dogging them bitches.
Don't.
Oh, you burnt out. Don't have no kids with all them girls.
Fuck yeah, why not? Fuck that. The white folks fucked me enough. I fucked their children.
Oh,
Wait,
no,
what the fuck you mean they
What?
fuck you?
Tell them.
Yeah, they fucked me. They call me racial slurs, so I fucked their daughters.
Mm.
My mama.
I feel it. Hey man, you on YouTube, man.
I'm on YouTube?
You on YouTube, man.
GG's.
Hey,
GG.
sub to JVTV. JAYVTV. You on YouTube, man.
I got you. I'll follow you.
I don't remember. Y'all gonna remember when we blow up, man.
We're from Tennessee.
Man, y'all ever been to Tennessee?
We be with this shit.
Have you?
Hell no.
I think I am.
Yo?
Yeah, blind, yeah.
I was finna go to the side. He looked like he was somebody.
Yeah,
Oh, hell no. Fuck.
Yeah, man.
Fuck no. Man, everybody keep it.
Content.
We just trying to get some content.
Yo? Why you get out the camera?
Because
Because what?
why so many?
Huh?
Why so many of you?
It's only 3 of us.
Where you from?
Damn, you can't hear now?
No.
The homie said, where you from? In the back.
Okay.
Man, you looking too far in details. Where you
She doing
from?
Too much.
She trolling.
It's 2 of them.
Where y'all from?
We from Omaha, Nebraska.
We from the O.
Hey man, y'all on YouTube. Subscribe to JVTV, man. JAYVTV.
She nervous. Nervous about blacklist shit.
Hell yeah, they see they stuff on YouTube. Cause my name on here, JVTV. I really might change my shit. 'Cause I ain't gonna lie, them knowing my name JVTV, they be on that bullshit. He said all this water on my chest. Nigga too slip. Man. Yo. Where you from?
What are you doing?
Where you YouTubing?
I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, you on YouTube.
Don't put me on YouTube.
Why you don't want to be on YouTube?
I don't know.
Where you from?
Where are you from?
Omaha, Nebraska.
What?
Omaha.
What is that?
Nebraska.
Like,
They get nervous, man.
People don't know what Omaha is crazy, bro.
yo. Bro. Yeah.
Skip him, bro.
Yeah, bro.
What is he on?
Yeah,
His
bro.
muscles.
Bitch ass nigga.
You about ugly as hell, little dread ass. Little noodle ass, boy, I'm on your ass. You about black as hell, boy, you ugly as hell.
Face ass nigga.
Nigga, where your forehead at? Nigga, we see all of that motherfucker. What the fuck are you talking about?
He fried.
Oh!
Hey, bro, better. You got a long ass face, my nigga. You like a llama.
You on YouTube, boy, you look like a gorilla, boy, you ugly as fuck. Hippo looking ass, ugly ass nigga. Your nostrils about big as fuck. Nigga, I put 2 straws up your nose. You smoking a black? You nasty as fuck. And your breath stink, boy, you stinky.
Black little dog.
I know your breath smell like ass.
I'm a real gunman, bro. I'm a real gunman. Real gunman.
No, you're ugly as fuck. You're ugly as fuck. No.
You cook, bro. Put the
Real
blacks
gunman.
down.
I'm trying to tell you, pussy.
They gonna see on YouTube and be like, you cooked as fuck on the G.
How long you been growing your dreads out for, buddy?
You feel like a llama. On the beat, nigga, shoot a video that was on average, nigga, on speed.
What's his IG?
Dead low.
Man, don't nobody wanna add you, boy. You about ugly as hell, boy.
They gonna add me, brother. I'm telling you, nigga.
You
Nah,
see
nah.
bro, you see my YouTube name, bro. You see my YouTube
Dead low,
name.
nigga.
You see that YouTube name, nigga.
You said what?
Go watch that YouTube, nigga. You gonna see your ugly ass in the video. Cause you about ugly as fuck.
I should support. What's your YouTube?
JVTV.
YouTube, bro.
JAYVTV.
AV?
Yeah, JAYVTV.
I got you, bro.
Yep, you about ugly as shit.
That nigga had the little one for real.
He was smoking black.
And he was smoking them black.
So his breath was stink. Yo,
Yo, do you guys do those like car videos?
yeah.
Bro, I knew it.
You in the video.
I'm in the video. What's up, everyone?
Man, what they talking about? He talk about I knew it. We gonna let this bitch get to like 16, 17. We gonna be done. Yo,
Oh, he fine right there.
who?
Who you talking about?
Yeah. Well, shit, y'all all fine.
Hey, where you from?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Florida.
Ooh,
We from Nebraska.
what's up there?
Nothing, honestly.
Nothing.
Wait, is it 3 of them?
Yeah.
What the other one? I bet I know he fine too, but
Hey, why y'all can't get the camera?
let me see that other one.
Y'all, if y'all get in the camera, y'all can see our third person. Deal?
Like, get in the camera, show the spotlight. Why should what you look like?
Oh, y'all some. Is it y'all ugly?
No. Oh, right. It ain't even worth getting in the camera. We never gonna see each other again anyways.
How you know? I'm a YouTuber. I come to Miami. I be all through Florida.
Whoa, all through. I don't know about that one.
I'm a YouTuber. That's what we do.
Y'all through the girls.
Y'all on the YouTube video right now. Why we be trolling? We know damn well we would never see y'all.
Yo.
Yo.
Is that Lil Nas X in the backseat?
Watch out, you Hilbert looking ass dude.
Nigga, shut the fuck
This
up.
thing like,
He did like a Hilbert
what
ass.
the fuck? He got that cut, bro.
Yeah, bro.
That nigga
Hey,
got
I'm on your ass, boy. You look like Mario, boy. You about ugly as fuck. Luigi, fat nose ass.
He hit for real.
That
Yeah.
nigga cut nutty.
KFC buckets every day, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you?
That nigga cut.
You thought that shit was funny?
He thought that shit was funny.
Go make some rice and chicken, boy. You ugly as fuck, boy.
I feel like we should exterminate all the niggers, all the fucking black people, because they're gorillas at the end of the day, bro. They're monkeys.
Yo, mama a bitch.
Can't
Bro,
even say nothing.
Bro, if you think about it, bro, he was a bomber.
Yeah,
That was definitely a
one
bomber, bro.
of them. I like Bah. He was one of them for sure.
Why he say he look like Lil Nas X?
I don't know. That was
Nah, that was crazy though. Lil Nas X.
Yeah.
Yeah, that nigga hit.
Man, that was crazy. He doing talk about Lil Nas X. Yo,
What's up?
put your face in the camera. They finna piss me off. Like, literally piss me off. Yo. Yo.
Hey, subscribe to JVTV.
What?
Subscribe, boy.
TV.
There you
Yeah.
go.
There you go.
JV.
You're on YouTube, bro. Get in the camera.
JYV _ TV.
Get in the camera. Oh, y'all lame.
So, yo!
Jay, why would you do that? You know we in the video. Yo,
That's what out, bro.
Yo, where you from?
we from Omaha.
We from the O.
Y'all from the O.
Where you from?
That's what's up. Y'all from the O. That means go.
Where
He
you
know
from?
what's
Who told me that mean go? Yo,
That's okay. That's okay.
that's how you
That's
coming?
how you coming?
Yeah.
You just suck dick. That's how you
Yeah.
coming.
That's where
Yeah.
she from.
You deep throated?
Yeah.
What's your stripper name?
What's my stripper name? Demi.
What's your stripper name?
Demi. Just Demi.
You on YouTube? You know that?
Yeah. How you know?
Cause I'm on YouTube.
Wait. I'm not famous on YouTube, so how you know me?
I'm famous on YouTube. You on YouTube right now?
Oh. Oh my god.
They
Yeah,
they
they heard what you
they
said.
heard what you said.
Where you from?
They said you they heard you say you suck a little yeah.
In your face on there, too. It's over.
No.
You and your boyfriend's over with, bro.
They gonna be like, damn, that's the cocksucker.
She going outside.
2 at the same time.
2 at the same time?
Yeah.
That's how you
Yeah.
coming?
That's how she's coming, bro.
You got flipped before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you say?
You got flipped before?
No.
No. How you get 2 dicks in your mouth then?
I don't know what you were saying, but I said no.
Our lingo is not their
It's
lingo.
breaking off.
That bitch a whore.
She a slut.
She hopped on there talking about she sucked. Yeah. Whoa.
She's tripping.
Bop.
What's going on?
What's up, dude?
He's smoking a vape.
Where we are from?
We from Omaha.
We from the O, brody.
Send us some gas over. Send us some gas.
Where you
I'm
from?
from Preston. I'm from Ohio.
You from Ohio?
Send us some gas.
What's up there?
Hell yeah. Shit, not shit for real. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
They got some gas down there?
We got some pressure. I ain't gonna fake.
We from the O.
Hey man, you on the YouTube video. Don't show nothing
I
illegal.
ain't gonna lie though. We the real O.
No.
Nah, y'all ain't
No.
We from the O, bro.
This the real O.
Stop it.
This the real O over this way.
No.
West.
No.
Hell no. We
It's hoes out there.
Somewhat.
Yeah, this is cool.
It's some cooler cheese.
What y'all niggas be on?
Hey, we doing the YouTube video right now. You in the video.
What type of shit you be on? You funny. I'm tuned into it. You funny.
Tune into
Go
it.
tune in, I'm telling you.
Go tune in, bro.
I ain't all that.
What you do though? You do pranks?
Hell yeah, I do all that shit.
Pranks, parties.
What's your shit right now? I'll look you up right now, gang. What's your shit?
JVTV, JAYVTV.
JVTV?
Yep, JAYVTV.
Hold on, I'm high for you out there. Say it one more time.
Hey man, JAY.
J.
AY.
My shit not trying to click. JAY.
VTV.
Alright.
You got it?
I'm about to look you up right now. I'm gonna see what you about, blood.
Alright, yep. So I'm gonna see what you about, blood. Hey, we're gonna do 3 more, we done. Man. Mad Max. Yo,
No. Yeah.
what are you doing?
Ain't nothing to do here.
Where the fuck you at?
Nothing. For real, it's boring.
Where the fuck you at?
Bro, what you on, fam? JTV, you ain't even on TV, fam.
You wanna bet some money you on TV?
You on TV.
With your ugly ass.
Ashy ass leg.
Hey, I don't even. Hey, blur my face out though. You tripping?
Well, I gotta blur your face out.
Blur me out.
Where you from, Jet?
You tripping, fam? Blur me out.
Where are you from?
I'm just saying, if you do, blur me out. Don't put my location thing up there, fam.
Oh, your
Oh, yeah.
it don't say your location.
I'm from Omaha.
You from Omaha? We from Omaha.
Yeah, I'm from Omaha.
No, you
6
not.
block.
You see
No, you not. It ain't no 6
I'm
block.
from 6 block.
It ain't no 6 block down here.
I'm from 6 block Omaha.
No, you not.
Post
Man, you a hoe.
You must got your location now.
Hell yeah.
Bro, you got some location now.
Niggas gotta know where we at. They gotta see the city. You gotta rep the city.
What's that?
We got 2 more. We done, man. They ain't hitting on nothing. I'm finna troll somebody before you get the fuck up out of here. Boy, you about ugly as hell.
Oh.
Huh?
Hi, my brothers.
What?
It's Snoop Dogg. It's Snoop Dogg. Покажи ему слоготочку, покажи.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Yo!
Nigga, you on crack? You a crackhead.
My brothers.
You a crackhead. Man. Oh, we definitely not doing that one for the last one, man. Oh, shit. Yep. This the last one, man. Man, yeah, this the last one, man. Yo.
Aiden Ross looking at.
Aiden Ross.
What's up, Aiden Ross? Man, fuck you. Man, can we get a good one for the last one? Go out with a banger, man. All right, here we go. Oh, yup. Here we go. Yo.
Yo.
What's your name? He said yup and he had to.
I ain't said no phone up. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah,
Izzy.
that's cool. Where y'all
What's her
from?
name to the left, though?
Huh?
What's her name?
Trinity.
Why she? So this her account, and why she not on here?
She is. She's right next to me. I'm right here. Yeah. I only get in the camera when I need to.
So
I'm
get.
the outgoing best friend.
so-
She's a shy best friend. So like it's just.
So you feel like we ugly? You don't gotta get in the camera, or what?
No. She ain't ugly. She ain't ugly. No. I'm not saying that. It's like.
Where y'all from, though?
Where y'all from?
No.
Where y'all from?
Oklahoma.
I know some people out there.
JV Def do.
Where people wear in Oklahoma.
What the fuck is that shit called? It's a small city, but yeah, I know some people out there. I do YouTube and shit. I'm finna come out there real soon.
You know
Yeah, it's right next. That's exactly what it is. Oh Jesus. Yeah, my sister and them live out there. Yeah, my sister and them live out there.
What y'all be doing?
Where you from?
We from Omaha.
Nebraska.
What the fuck? I was like, what the fuck?
Damn, y'all know what an Omaha is?
Wait, Nebraska?
Nebraska.
Your sister.
Man, can't tell you that, man. We on YouTube, man. That's too much information.
Wait, y'all are on YouTube right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
I got recording this.
No.
YouTube video, Trini?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
Hey, JVTV. That was a good ass vlog, man. Y'all fuck with the video? Man, run this motherfucker up to 500 to 1,000 views, man. We're gonna get a part 2 of this shit.
Fact.
Hey, man, we out of here.
Okay. It's us.